Hi everyone, this is Meryem teacher. In our last video, we talked about jobs. We learned teacher, firefighter, policeman, astronaut, pilot, engineer, chef, scientist, and doctor. Now let's learn about where they work. Let's start. Teacher works in school. Doctor works in hospital. Policeman works in police station. Firefighter works in fire station. Engineer works in factory. Astronaut works in space. Scientist works in a science lab. Chef works in a restaurant. Pilot works in an airplane. Now let's play a game and practice what we've learned. Where does the teacher work? In a hospital? In school? In space? Or in police station? Teacher works in school. Well done! Where does a firefighter work? In a police station? In a fire station? In a restaurant? Or in school? Firefighter works in a fire station. Well done! Where does a policeman work? In a factory? In an airplane? In a science lab? Or in police station? The policeman works in a police station. Good job! Where does an astronaut work? In a restaurant? In a hospital? In space? Or in police station? Astronaut works in space. Well done! Where does a pilot work? In space? In hospital? In an airplane? Or in fire station? Pilot works in an airplane. Good job! Where does an engineer work? In school? In a factory? In hospital? Or in restaurant? Engineer works in a factory. Great job! Where does a chef work? In space? In an airplane? In a restaurant? Or in police station? Chef works in a restaurant. Great! Where does a scientist work? In a restaurant? In fire station? In police station? Or in science lab? Scientist works in science lab. Well done! What about a doctor? Where does a doctor work? In a factory? In a police station? In space? Or in a hospital? Doctor works in a hospital. Perfect! I hope you liked the game. See you next time!